You, me, the side of sunrise. You push, he push, you pause, he looks. He push, you break, you exhale, you shake, he accelerates, he penetrates. You compliment. He whispers. He kisses, he pushes, you let go, he holds on, he reaches, you fall in. You twist and turn, he gives in, he's losing. He's falling, you pause, he gains consciousness. You catch your breath. He holds your hips, you find his fingertips, both begin to slip, he dips, you bite, he places pressure, you scratch the surface. Mouth open, sweat beams, mouth closed, sweat gleams, accelerated speed, uncontrollable screams, 180 degrees, curls of the feet, breath escapes at a faster beat, high level of heat, you are free. He explodes as you fold, he unfolds both toes, you caress as he rests upon the chest. Sunrise. Birds chirping. Alarm. Hand reaches over, it violently shuts off. Silence. You turn over, smile. Light pierces through blinds. It hits the sheets in patterns.